fishing. It is very important to have a trained eye to know exactly where to cast, how to find the cuts, the troughs, the riptides, and most importantly, the fish. Reading the beach is not rocket science. It's actually quite simple, especially presented from an aerial view. So I put together this quick and simple video to much more easily explain how to read the beach from an aerial view. But before we continue, if you want to be elite everywhere, not only the surf, you want to catch all kinds of fish, you want the best fishing tips that will make you one of the most elite anglers, please click on the subscribe button and hit that bell notification for some of the crispiest fishing videos out here. I would like to start talking about the most underrated area of the beach. This is the wade gut. You see, most beaches with multiple sandbars have an initial trough area right in front of the beach. This is called the wade gut. Wade guts are typically no deeper than 3 feet. This is a prime area to catch bait fish, whiting, slot fish such as reds, puppy drum, and a lot of speckled trout. I guarantee that most of the time that you go surf fishing, you don't even need to get wet if you fish this area. This is one of the best areas to fish with soft plastics for dinner-sized fish. I guarantee you that if you fish the wade gut, you can catch big bull reds also. You see, you don't need to cast far most of the time when you're surf fishing. You can just